Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the country on your Samsung account. Now, if you open the Samsung account in the settings app on your Samsung phone, just tap on profile info. Now at the end of the page, you will find the country or the region of your Samsung account. And if you want to change the country or the region of your Samsung account, just go to your home screen and open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this. From here, just tap on Sign In. Then tap on Sign In with Galaxy device. Select OK. On this page, just tap on Profile. Now, at the end of the page, you will find the option of Edit Personal Information. Just tap on it, and from here, just tap on Country or Region. Now, from this list, just select any country or region which you want. Now, you have the option of Europe, Asia Pacific, America, and Middle East and Africa. For example, I will select Europe and I will select this country. After you select your country, then go to the end of the page and select Change. Then select Not Now. From here, just select I understand some account data may be lost. Then tap on Change. Now just enter the password of your Samsung account. Now once you enter the password of your Samsung account, then select OK. And once you do that, you will successfully change the country or the region of your Samsung account. Now just enter your email address, then enter the password of your email address. Then select Sign In. Then select I have read and agreed to all the above and select Agree. Now just tap on Get Started. Now if you go to your home screen and open the Settings app, now just go to your Samsung account. From here, just tap on Profile Info. You can see that we have successfully changed the country or the region of our Samsung account. And this is how you can change the country or the region of your Samsung account. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.